Hello, it's Natasha. I'm going to show you some other functions that Moodle has. So it has these little buttons here. Two of them are for recording audio. One MP3, another one different format. This one is for recording video. This one is for drawing. And this one is for taking a picture. So they're very easy to use. I've already played with them. If you want to take your picture, you press here, you pose, take picture, and then you need to wait a little bit until the picture uploads, and then you click insert. I will not do it because I have already inserted a nice picture of myself. Then you can make a video of yourself in MP4 format, and it's a very similar procedure. You click here, you record yourself, then you just keep recording yourself, then when you're finished, you press stop. You press upload, but I will cancel because I already have a link here. I have already done a video of myself. You won't be able to hear it now, but when I press save message, you will be able to hear it all. Other things you can do. You can record audio only. So you can record MP3. So you click record here, then you talk, and when you're finished, you see you can press pause if you want to take a short break, maybe drink a glass of water, and when you're finished, you press stop, then you press upload, and once the upload is finished, you press insert. But I have already created an MP3 here, so I'm pressing cancel. And finally, you can do this in the audio format. If for whatever reason MP3 is not suitable, it's an identical kind of interface. So record, pause, continue, stop, then upload, and then insert. Just one piece of advice: well, if you're recording an audio or a video, press play before you insert it. So record, continue. And if for whatever reason you're not happy with it, start over, because once you have your Moodle links here, you will not be able to listen. I think you will not be able to listen. Yeah, I'm right. You won't be able to listen until you click post to forum. Once you post, then you can go. And remember, you have half an hour to edit your message. That's why I pre-recorded my one video and two audios, because I was afraid that if something didn't work, I wouldn't have time to edit both the message and the recordings. But now I will be able to play the whole thing to you. So here is first of all, here is some free space which I have left for this video. Once I upload it, here is a picture of me. And hello, it's Natasha. I'm just playing around with the audio recorder in PoodLL. It's really easy to use and fast. So if for whatever reason you don't want other people to see your face, you can opt to record audio only. And this is great if you want to practice listening with your students, or if you want to practice speaking, if you want them to practice speaking. So it has many applications, and I'm glad that we are past the time when we just have to leave written messages to each other, and now we can go one step further. So that's all from me for now. Bye. And here is my second audio. Hello, it's Natasha. So I'm just curious what's going to happen now. I have already recorded one audio in MP3, and this is a different format, but the interface is completely the same. So whichever option suits you better. I think they are very similar, and I'm going to keep both in my little poodle experiment. Okay, and the reason why I stopped the recording for a moment and now I'm back is that for the life of me I don't know where my video has disappeared. When I click on edit, I can see the link here. Let me show you. And here is the MP4, but when I click on Save Changes, I can see my picture and my two audios, but not my video. So this is something I will have to search for and maybe re-upload, I'm not sure. Let's see what happens. But for the time being, I will post this video to YouTube, because, you know, blunders are a part of the learning process. And if I manage to find my video, or I will upload another one, then you will be able to see it in my message. But anyway, online learning and online tools can be messy, and it's all part of the learning process. So it's good to know that we're human too. I mean, we teachers, and that we make mistakes. Anyway, to be continued. This is all for now. Bye.